Hello and welcome everyone to the Facebook Live of Indian Records. This is me, Chinu, and today I have someone with an amazing musical personality with me. Let me introduce you to all with him. He is Shri Manjoor Unni Krishnan. Can I please have them? Yeah. Hello, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, a very
Namaskaram.
warm welcome on the Facebook Live of Indian Records. It's a pleasure to have you on our show. So,
Thank you.
I would first like to tell my viewers that Shri Manjoor Unni Krishnan belongs to a musical family and is a very renowned and seasoned Ghatam artist. So, firstly, sir, can you tell our audience about your musical journey and how you started your career as an Ghatam artist?
I had started learning Mridangam at the age of 10. My first guru was Sri Chartala Bhaskar Kurup. Then I continued my higher study under G. Chandrasekharan Nair. I had passed Ganabhusham diploma from RLV College, Tripundra. My family is basically music family. My elder brother, Sri Manu Ramesh, is a Carnatic vocalist. His wife, Mrs. Sarada Ramesh, is a well-known dancer. My younger brother is Sri Manu Ranjit, is a violinist, and his wife, Mrs. Shama Ranjit, is dancer. My guru, G. Chandrasekharan Nair, who is a famous Mridangam artist, is my uncle. It is wonderful experience performing together with all of them.
Sir, Ghatam is a very rare art form, I feel, and we are noticing that slowly it is vanishing, and our generation, the new generation, are almost unaware of it. So, firstly, can you tell our viewers that what exactly is Ghatam and what inspired you to choose this art form?
Sorry, madam. If you don't mind, I can agree with your statement. This art form is not at all vanishing one. Even though the number of people coming to learn these degrees decreasing, it will not vanishing completely because the people who are coming into the field are really talented. They are ready to give their 100% effort into it. They learn it, practice in and play it with heart. They are not learning Gadam as a time pass, but they truly are dedicated to it. So this art form is still flourishing. Actually, I think my first stage was at a temple nearby house. Then I was 17 years old. With the blessings of my guru and parents, I could perform well in the that stage.
So, what would have been your age when you first performed, when you live performed?
Pardon?
I wanted to know that what would have been your age when you first performed live?
17 years. 17 years.
17 years. Okay. So you have worked in the film industry as well. So what has been your experience in the film industry?
Film music is bit different from the classical music, madam. Uh, it has a different style. Playing Gadam as an accompaniment in film songs is very rare. In classical concerts, we play in the rhythm which is set manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This like. But film songs in clicks, tuck, 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 tuck. That is electronic measurement. It need more practice. I had accompanied for 6 film songs. Kunji Kunji, Panjara Kannulla Penne.
Okay. So, sir, this Corona pandemic, this was a very hard time for everyone in the world. Throughout the world, people were going through mental stress and they were having mental issues. But you were busy creating new musical pieces with your instrument Ghatam. So what kept you motivated? Would you like to share your experience of this pandemic period with our audience?
The entire world going through such tough time. This pandemic affected people in physically and mentally. But I think we must always be engaged in something to get out from the dilemma. Staying ideal may increase the stress and uh, depression. Trying something new keep us fresh always. In my experience, we must always be busy doing something. As an artist, I have no other choice than trying something different with my Gadam. To be frank, I feel so much refreshed and happy whenever I try a new piece of music. The encouraging response from the audience make me do more and more experiment. Actually, my Gadam helped me to keep the rhythm of my life during the hard time.
That's true. Audience and viewers are the best motivators for an artist. So I also got to know that you have performed in almost 20 countries and you have done several music concerts. What level of recognition and love you received from there, and what kind of response you have got from the audience?
Madam, music has a universal language. People
That's true.
around the world love music. I had performed in Asia, Europe, Africa. Everywhere the audience was wonderful. While we perform a Carnatic music concert in a foreign country, the audience may include not only Indians. The natives also will be there. Both these groups enjoy music alike. Their response is really encouraging. The love and recognition we get from get from them is really make us feel proud. When we go there in next time, seeing most of them among the audience make us feel delighted.
That's lovely. Lovely to know. So, Ghatam has been a part of your life from, I guess, 32 years. But sadly, I feel that the youngsters of our country are not really aware of this art form. I would request you today that I would want you to motivate all our young viewers right now and all the music lovers as to how they can play their part in sustaining this beautiful art form.
Madam, as I said earlier, the number of people coming to learn Gadam is decreasing. There may be many reasons. I think the main reason may be lack of time.
Yeah.
But if you really want to learn this wonderful uh, instrument, don't hesitate. Uh, Once you fall in love with its rhythm, it will be your heartbeat. That's the magic of music. That's the magic of Gadam. I am praying that those who are really interested may have the chance to learn more. May God bless them. I hope the more and more people will choose this art form, and we will get and more talented artists.
That's lovely, lovely, sir. And it was really lovely knowing you and your journey. I hope our viewers must have learned a lot from you and must have got the motivation and got the inspiration from your words. So before I conclude this show, I think it would be unfair for our audience if you do not perform something for them. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is Sri Manjur Unni Krishnan playing Ghatam for all of us. So over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.